Hello everyone, welcome to Taco Garage one more time. Today I'm going to show you a very simple mod, very easy to install, but very cool as well. Also adds like 50 horsepower. Check it out. Alright, so this mod is for your center dash area. This is basically a cover for your knobs, for your control knobs. So it covers the climate control knobs and your four-wheel drive knob if you have the four-wheel drive knob. Now, if you are anything like most Tacoma owners, you don't like this chrome. And there's other ways to get rid of it, but the simplest way by far is with a cover. So what we have here are control knob caps. These are blacked out, but you can have color inserts on them if you want. So these happen to be red, but we have different colors available. And the way you install them is just basically sliding them in. So check it out. There you go. No more chrome. Now these don't have chrome, but they obviously have this little silver piece or gray piece around them. So if you want to go for that all blacked out look, you can simply insert these caps right here, and now all of your knobs match. They have similar looks. They're all blacked out. If you do want them in a different color, you can simply choose that option on the website, and you'll get your knobs with the colored insert installed already. These are very easy to put on and take out, but they work just the way they're supposed to. Everything turns normally. Now there is another option on the website. That is, if you do have a Tacoma with a dual zone climate control, you will get these knobs without a notch. The Tacomas that don't have the dual zone climate control will not have this screen. Instead, they will have a light indicator on the knobs. So your knobs are going to look like this. It has a notch on one of the sides that you have to line up with the light on the knob if you have the Tacoma without the dual zone climate control. Now, if you have a Tacoma that doesn't have four-wheel drive, we do sell an option that doesn't have this fourth knob. It's just the climate control knobs. And if you have a Tacoma with a push start button, this one doesn't have it because it's a manual, but a lot of the newer, the third gen Tacomas will have the push start button. So if you have that and you want to black that out, we also have an A1 push to start button that is all blacked out, including the trim ring around it. So I'll put a link for that on the description below, and you can check it out. That way all of the buttons on your dash will be blacked out, and it gives you a really cool look. All right guys, that's it for this video. It's a short one. It's something that is simple, but again, very cool. If you do like those blacked out looks, we have more stuff on our website, so go check out the tacogarage.com. We have the black grill, which is the TRD Pro grill. We have black badges. We have a shift knob that is all blacked out. Just go check it out. There's a lot of cool stuff there. If you did like this video and want to see more like it, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and please let us know what else you want to see. We are looking for videos to record, so put a comment below, tell us what you want to see, and we'll probably do a video on it. Thanks.